subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Realme C11 back in June this year, the company is now all set to launch another smartphone under the same series called Realme C15. And before the launch, the company has started teasing about their upcoming phone that shows the renders of the smartphone including some key specifications. According to teaser poster, the Realme C15 will support a water drop notch style display for selfie camera, and it has relatively slim bezels on the sides with a thicker chin at the bottom. At the back, the phone appears to feature a quad camera setup in a square module at the top left corner, including LED flash below it. The rear panel of the phone also spotted to support and fingerprint scanner for biometric authentication. As per the specifications, the Realme C15 is confirmed to pack with 6000 mAh battery that will support 18 watt fast charging. And apart from this, the phone is expected to come powered by MediaTek chipset paired with at least 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. Now, talking about the release date. The Realme C15 is confirmed to launch in Indonesia on July 28th, and it is suggested to come in blue and grey color options. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Realme C15 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.